Hi everyone, সকলকে at our channel লৈ স্বাগতম। আশা কৰো সকলে ভালে আছে। আজি আমি একদম recent topic লৈ আহিছো and this is very important for your general knowledge GK part of your competitive exams. So আমি আজি discussion কৰিম regarding the national parks in Assam. আৰু এটা কথা আমি সকলে গম পাইছো recently there are two national parks which is newly declared by the officials of the government of Assam. So গটিকে সেই নতুন দুটা ন্যাশনাল পার্কসৰ লগতে গটেখিনি ন্যাশনাল পার্কসৰ বিষয়ে আমি ইয়াতে ডিসকাশন কৰিম আৰু ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে শেষলৈকে চাব আশা কৰো সকলে উপকাৰী হ'ব সো আহক আমি চাওঁ প্ৰথমতে national parks. A national park, an area which is strictly preserved for the betterment of the wildlife and biodiversity and where activities like developmental, forestry, poaching, hunting and grazing on cultivation are not permitted. Their boundaries are well marked and circumscribed. So national park meanings to definition to moi yada likhi disu actually national parks or meaning to ki hoy so this is a distinctive area eta described area hoy jot ki ki forestry development hoy biodiversity development kora hoy there is no permission for poaching and hunting of animals okay deforestation is not allowed as well as even grazing allow kora nohoy in the national park. Now the question is maybe there that what is the difference between the national park and a sanctuary, okay, or you can say reserve sanctuary. এই দুটাৰ মাজত actually difference to কি হয়? So এটা বস্তু আপোনালোকে চাব যে national parks কি থাকে while boundaries define থাকে, okay, boundaries to define থাকে যে কোনখিনি area হয় exactly location to define kora thake aru kuno dhoroner illegal activities yate allowed nohoy but in case of wildlife sanctuaries okay tate ki hoy mane tumar boundaries to definite nohoy definite define kora na thake wildlife sanctuaries bila okay now yate kotha to hol so yate number of national parks in Assam Ahomot kun keta national parks ase ahok saami Assam has 7 national parks. Okay. ইয়াৰ আগতে অসমত আমাৰ 5খন national park আছিলে কিন্তু বৰ্তমান 7খন national parks আৰু ইয়াতে এটা important কথা আহি গৈছে যে Assam becomes the India's third largest number of national parks in India. ভাৰতৰ ভিতৰত 3 নম্বৰ national parks হৈ গৈছে That means third largest number of national parks in India. Prathomata amar ase Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then Madhya Pradesh. After Madhya Pradesh, the Assam becomes the third highest number of national parks. Okay, in India. So amar India national parks bile ki hai sao? Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, then Orange National Park. It is also sometimes called Rajiv Gandhi Orange National Parks. Then Divru Saikwa National Park, Namuri National Park, then you can look Raimona National Park, and another national park is there that is called Dihing Patai National Park. Dihing Patai National Park, and these two 6 number and 7 number এই দুটো একেবারে নতুন national park হয় Raimona National Park which was declared on World Environment Day that is 5th June 2021 and Dihing Patkai National Park as a national park declare kora hoise amar ketia on 9th June 2021 so ahok amar yata sam Kaziranga National Park. It is situated in the Golaghat and Nagaon district of Assam. Ahomor Golaghat and Nagaon district ki ase situated hoy Kaziranga National Park to. It is one of the oldest national parks in Assam, being declared as a national park in 1974. Okay, Kaziranga National Park to declare kora hoisil as a national park in the year of 1974. Okay, and it is one of the largest national and oldest national park सबसे पुरानी national park है हमार অসমৰ It is originally established as a reserve forest in 1908 1908 ত কি কৰাইছিল as a reserve forest হিচাপত establish কৰা হৈছিল It was named as Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary in 1950 আৰু 1950 চনত কি কৰা হল কাজিৰঙা নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কটো wildlife sanctuary হিচাপে নাম দিয়া হল কাজিৰঙা wildlife sanctuary It was also declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO UNESCO কি কৰিছে কাজিৰঙা নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কক World Heritage Sites বুলি দিয়া হৈছে Why it is World Heritage Site because here the natural inhabitants are gone In 2006, it is declared as Tiger Reserve. 2006 এক কি কৰাইছে Tiger Reserve হিচাপে declare দিয়া হৈছে It is home to the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. এইটো কি হয় আমাৰ সবচে আমি জানো it is the state animal of Assam that is one-horned rhinoceros. Asian elephants, wild bears, Barasingha, sloth bear, tiger, leopard cat, jungle cat, capped langur, huluk, jackal, goose, hornbills, heron, fishing eagles, etc. This means what? These are the various kinds of what animals for this national park is what popular or wildland. It is covering approximately 430 square kilometer. কি হয় এই ন্যাশনাল পার্কটো নিয়ার অ্যাবাউট 430 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার কভার কৰিছে এরিয়া কভার কৰিছে সেকেন্ড তো আমি চাও আহক that is Manas National Park now look Manas National Park it covers near about 950 square kilometer 950 kilometer square kilometer কি কৰিছে কভার আপ কৰিছে which falls in 5 districts of Assam look at this is one of the largest national parks in Assam বহুত ডাঙৰ হয় আৰু ইয়াতে কি আছে এই ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্কটো পাঁচটা ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট কভাৰ কৰিছে কোন কোন ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট কভাৰ কৰিছে কোকৰাঝাৰ চিৰাং ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট বাক্সা ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট বৰপেটা ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট উদালগুৰি ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট and Darang districts of Assam next look it is a national park a natural world heritage site declared by UNESCO in 1985 This national park is also declared as a World Heritage Site by whom? By the UNESCO in the year of 1985. A Project Tiger Reserve, an elephant reserve, and a biosphere reserve. Next part you can see, it is home to a great variety of wildlife, including tiger, golden langur, wild buffalo, spit hare, pygmy hog, capped langur, Indian one-horned rhinoceros, elephant, boar, hog, deer, etc. Third look. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Okay, this is another national park in Assam. It is one of the largest park in Assam, which is situated in the south bank of Brahmaputra River in Tinisukia district. And it covers an area of what? 340 square kilometer. A national park, Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, this is basically ক'ত আছে আমাৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীৰ পাৰত আছে ইন দা ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ তিনিচুকীয়া আৰু এই ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্কটো কি কৰিছে নিয়াৰ about 340 স্কয়াৰ কিলোমিটাৰ এৰিয়া কভাৰ আপ কৰিছে An area of this park lies in the Indo-Burma Global Biodiversity hotspot as well. White-winged wood duck and black-breasted parrotbill feral horses are species of wildlife which makes this park very popular. এই Dibru-Saikhowa National Park যিটো আছে এটো পপুলাৰ হোৱাৰ পিছত ইয়াতে বহুত ধৰণৰ স্পেচিছ এনিমেলছ এণ্ড প্লান্টছ we can found it here but behind that there are few যেনেকৈ white winged wood duck and black breasted parrot bill feral horses for these animals it becomes very much popular okay আৰু এটা কথা আমি গম পাইছো that white winged wood duck that is the state bird of Assam next আমাৰ national park to চাওঁ Namari National Park. This park is situated in the district of Sonitpur of Assam, which is also shares the border of Arunachal Pradesh. Namari National Park jito ase Assam, eto amar kot ase Sonitpur districtত আছে আৰু এই national park to কি কৰিছে Arunachal Pradeshৰ border to কি কৰিছে touch কৰিছে and it covers an area of 200 square kilometer আৰু এই ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্কটোৱে নিয়াৰ about 200 স্কয়াৰ কিলোমিটাৰ কি কৰি আছে কভাৰ আপ কৰি আছে This is the second tiger reserve in Assam. So Ahomad duta tiger reserve also. At all Manas Tiger Reserve, that is Manas National Park. Another is what? Nameri National Park. So Manas National Park, that is the first tiger reserve in Assam, and the Nameri National Park, this is the second tiger reserve in Assam. The common inhabitants of these parks are tiger, Himalayan black bear, wild bear, and Indian giant squirrel. And many others animals and plants can also be found in this national park. Look, another thing, Pakui Wildlife Sanctuary in Arunachal Pradesh is attached with this park. এই আমাৰ নামেৰি নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্ক যিটো আছে ইয়াৰ লগতে আৰু এটা পাৰ্ক এটেচড আছে sorry park no ito wildlife sanctuary and hey wildlife sanctuary tor naam hol Pakhui and this wildlife sanctuary is situated in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Next national park, Orange National Park. Sometimes it is also called Rajiv Gandhi Orange National Park. It is situated in the Darang and Sonitpur district of Assam. A national park to amar kod ase Dorong aru Sonitpur district ase. This park is covers in about 78 square kilometer. Orange National Park to kiman kini area cover kori ase near about 78 square kilometer, and it has a strong hold of one-horned rhinoceros. Already you get it. The uniqueness of this park is that it has more than 50 species of fishes. আৰু এইটো পাৰ্কৰ অৰেঞ্জ নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কৰ এটা ইউনিকনেছ আছে আৰু এই ইউনিকটো হ'ল কি যে ইয়াতে 50 বিধৰ কি পোৱা যায় মাছ পোৱা যায় in this national park, Orange National Park in Assam. Next we can look our 6th national park in Assam, that is the new, and this part is very important for your competitive exam for GK part. Raimona Reserve Forest in Lower Assam became the 6th national park of the state. Ahomor 6 number national park হৈ গল Raimona Reserve Forest. আগতে Raimona Reserve Forest আছিলে, এতিয়া Raimona National Park হৈ গল. This region is spread over 422 square kilometer in the Kokrajhar district of Assam. আৰু এই national park to basically ক'ত আছে? This is situated in the Kokrajhar district of Assam, and it covers about 422 square kilometer. This park straddles the northern part of the notified Ripu Reserve Forest, which forms watermost buffer to the Manas Tiger Reserve. Our A national park to Raimona National Park to ক'ত আছে? It is around the Ripu Reserve Forest. Our A Ripu Reserve that forms a watermost buffer to the Manas Tiger Reserve. It also shares the contiguous forest patches with the Fispo Wildlife Sanctuary. Etu ako ki ase Fispo Wildlife Sanctuary and Jigme Singai Wangsuk National Park in Bhutan. Eyar logoto border to ki korise share korise with the Fispo Wildlife Sanctuary and Jigme Singai Wangsuk National Park in Bhutan. Next you can see over 150 species of butterflies, 170 species of birds, and 350 species of plants are found in this park. In Raimona National Park ki kora near about more than 150 species of butterflies and more than 170 species of birds and 350 species of plants can be found. And this park is declared as a national park on 5th June 2021 on the day of what World Environment Day. Next amar jikhon ase the 7th national park of Assam. This is also new national park is in Assam, and it was declared on 9th June 2021 by the Forestry Department officially. Look, that is Dihing Patkai National Park. Dihing Patkai National Park. This is the 7th national parks in Assam. It falls in Tinisukia and Dibrugarh district of Assam, which will be spread over 234 square kilometer. Amar Dihing Patkai National Park to kyot ase? This is basically situated in the state of Tinisukia and Dibrugarh. Our area kiman kini cover korise more than 230 square kilometer. In these parks, 47 mammal species including tiger, 47 reptile species and 310 species of butterflies have been recorded. Then look at it. On 13 June 2004, it was declared as a wildlife sanctuary. 2004 চনৰ 13 জুনত এজ এ ৱাইল্ড লাইফ চেংচুৰী হিচাপে কি কৰা হৈছিল ডিক্লেৰেশ্যন দিয়া হৈছিল আৰু কি কৰা হ'ল 9 জুন 2021 কি কৰা অফিচিয়েলি it is declared as a national park of Assam and it becomes the 7th national parks in Assam. So বন্ধুসকল আজিৰ কাৰণে এইখিনি লৈকে গতিকে যদি ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকক ভাল লাগে প্লিজ লাইক কৰিব শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব Thank you. Have a great day.